What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to just be prepping the car. We're wrapping the car tomorrow. We're also going to fit my new over fenders. Yep, I went with Crown Carbon Crafting over fenders, the version 2 front and the version 1 rears. So yeah, we're just gonna mock those up, and then maybe I'll give those a shot of wrapping them tonight inside, just so it's less to do tomorrow. My brothers are coming over tomorrow. We're gonna be tackling this together, so 3 of us. We should be able to get this car done within the day. You guys don't know the color yet, and I think I'm gonna keep it that way until we're like complete. So yeah, so right now what I'm doing is I'm working on my hood right now. This is where I hid Derek, so as you see, this is all crunched in. I fixed it like as good as I could, but the overs are gonna cover it, so I don't have to worry about that. But this I'm gonna have to fill with Bondo. So right now I'm just sanding to see what my low and high spots are, and then I'll probably just like goop it on and then shape it. I went with the Crown Carbon Crafting 350Z over fenders because I think it's probably one of the cleanest looking wide bodies for 350Z. You have a Rocket Bunny for 350Z, and then they have like special like one-off people who like personally make them, and it's for drifting. I don't really want to break them. But I do remember seeing something on their Instagram where someone got hit and they just like bounced right off, you know? I don't know. I think these are probably like the cleanest looking overs that you can get for 350Z. They're not like too crazy, and they're not like super expensive either. Let's just throw down a piece of tape so we have an idea. Right there. Alright, first piece of tape laid. Actually not bad. We're just gonna keep snowballing this. Alright, I think I laid this like perfectly actually. Alright, so this body line's like pretty good. Up to here, matches, all the way down, doesn't look like the door's gonna hit. I'm gonna say like that's good. And like it's crazy. If you look down the side, like boom, that's so sick. Alright, sorry, I'm really excited. Alright, I watch guys like measure this shit. We're not gonna do that. Like I said, we just go with the flow here. I'm gonna want one right here. Definitely one at this top corner. Right there. Here. All right, nothing too crazy here. We're just using a very small bit, just enough so we can line it back up, and then we can always just make the holes bigger on the actual fender to lay the rivets in, and then yeah, because the screws are only going on this side. Alright, we're just gonna cut. Alright, this is as far as I could draw with the fender on. So now we're just gonna kind of go off of it just a little bit. This line right here is where that piece starts. So we wanna go from here. We wanna chop here and then like pretty much everything is drilled. All I have left is the right rear. I'll do that tomorrow morning when I get a little bit of help. It's just bowed out, so it's hard for me to tape it and drill it, and I don't want to mess it up.